real in the field.
Hey, yo, Eddie, why is people picking hell or jail?
Because sometimes you got to make a choice. You got to choose. You know what I'm saying? It always we seen in movies and cartoons where you got the angel on one side and you got the devil on the other. But say in reality, in real life today, you got to pick and choose with God. But you also can't let nobody violate your space. You also can't let nobody run over you. Today, we're in a society we are walking and living in the last day, in evil days, where people want to bogart and have their way. So you have to pick and choose today. But you also have to understand you got to get back to your loved one. Nobody want to be locked up. Nobody want to be dead. Nobody don't want to be disrespectful. So that's why you have to have an understanding and a balance with that. But in this world today, it's very hard. So I understand. I sympathize with a lot of them that's out there that get caught up in conflict. And I understand your pain and your suffering. But keep leaning on God and understand. Sometimes you have to cross that line to get an understanding that you have to pick and choose. Pick and choose the right one today. Be a man of peace. Be a man of humility. Be a man of healing. But be a man of instruction. Conversation over with.